I'm going to start my new Delonghi coffee machine, and this is for 1 scoop, so it's written 1 here. If you want to make 2 scoop coffee, this is for the 2 scoop, and this is for the coffee bag. So I'll just try the 1 scoop. Let's fix this here. So I have Italian blend coffee. I'll just use that Italian blend. Just 1 scoop. Yes, I'll just tap it a bit. Okay, switch on the machine. This is the power button here. So you'll see this is for a single cup here. If I want double, this is the one. The machine is ready. Fix the so I'll remove this so I can have my cup. I don't have a smaller cup. I'll press this one. So we don't hold the coffee for long, otherwise the crema, look at the crema here. The crema is fresh, and if we keep it for more than a few minutes, it's not going to taste good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour my boiling water here first. So I'm making long black. Boiling water. Coffee. These are my favorite cups. You can hold it outside, they are cold from outside. So these are double walled cups. The aroma is perfect. This machine makes really good coffee. This is my dark chocolate. Fantastic.